everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all of my finished jewelry for the Potomac bead box. This was the treasure subscription. This was for March of 2023. It was called Dark Night. And I will leave all the information below, the link to Potomac Beads website. And there's a coupon code. If you want to use it, you can. And this was a really pretty box this month, the blue. So I started out with, I made this really pretty memory wire bracelet. I thought this was really pretty. And I used all the pretty beads on it. Let me get my... my Potomac beads box here. Yeah, I still have, I just wanted to show you, I still have some pieces that I haven't used yet. I haven't used the stars, and I haven't used the metallic sea blue ones. Still have pretty good amount of stuff yet to use. I still haven't used the clasp, the silver ones. The rest of the seed beads they sent me, these adorable little, what do you call it, the little Buddhas. These beautiful blues and the lapis lazuli chips. I still haven't finished using those. And I have a couple more of their black ones and one of their large black oval pendants and a few of their pearl beads. So that's what I have left, but this is what I did make. I made kind of like a jewelry set, I guess you could say. So I did love the way this one turned out. I put my little charms on the ends. And I love putting seed beads on my jump rings when I use them for like my memory wire bracelets and stuff. I've been doing this for years because I think it just dresses up the jump ring more. It just gives it a chance to have more color on the bracelet instead of just a plain old jump ring. So yeah, so I love the way this turned out. I mixed the beautiful green Potomac beads with the blue and the soft blue here, and then the little crystal bicones. Everything was so pretty. And the druzies. So I have this. Okay, so I have that. And I love making the little charms too on the bracelets. Then I made these really pretty earrings using little disco balls. That's what I kept calling them. And the druzy and the crystal bicones and the silver spacers. And then I just used my own silver hypoallergenic ear wires. And yeah, I think these turned out really pretty. I'll put these right here. And then I had the tutorial that I used for this pretty pendant necklace. Now this, I took the pendant and I put this through, brought this through, and then I kind of did a little cross weaving through there. It kind of looks like a little bow actually. So I will leave the link below to this website, or to this tutorial, my YouTube channel tutorial, if you want to see how I did that. There we go. So yeah, so this is what I made for this month's Potomac beads. I'm not sure if you get the box. It's a really beautiful box. It's got great beads in it. Everything's very well made. I'm, continuously impressed by their stuff. So if you are interested, I will leave the links below, all the information about their subscription. I get the treasure subscription because it's more for what I like to do. There are ones for other types too. So yeah, go on their website and check it out. And like I said, there's a coupon code below if you want to use it. And you can follow me on all my social media. All of my links are below. And I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know down in the comments what you think of it. And I will see you on my next video, and you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you.